Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you all how the shopping today went, and this is the actually part one of this video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon. In that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video, because this video is going to be several parts, so you don't miss any of this video. So without any further ado, I want us to jump right into the gold chapati wheat flour. This is very good. This is what my family eats. I eat it like everyone in my family, my kids, my hubby, myself. I eat it. But so guys, it's very good. It's just because I'm on weight loss journey. So guys, I'm just cutting it down. I eat it sparingly, but mostly I eat vegetable fufu, all these fufu that you make out of vegetable. That's what I eat, but this is very good. So guys, the wheat is actually healthier than maize meal, fufu, and semolina and all that, apple and all that. So this weight is really good. If you want to lose weight, like you're starting and you don't know what to go for, wheat is very perfect for you if you make it well, because some people, they don't make it well. On a very good day, one day I will make a video on how to make this wheat. So yeah, so I got the wheat I think up to 4 bags. So guys, as you can see, the next thing I got is CROCHET tissue, and I got them 2 packs, and as you can see, there are 24 rows in each. So so we have about 48 pieces of tissues. So the next thing we got, we got this for my daughter. She saw it and she's like, I think she watches it. This is I think Upsy Daisy cartoon. So we got this like up to, I think it was £8 something. Guys, this is expensive, but my hubby said it's okay, just give her. I'm like, okay. So yeah, she got it, £8 something. I don't know, kids, they love toys a lot, but I know because it's a character, toy, so it's okay. So the next thing we got is this kitchen towel. We got this kitchen towel from Costco. That's where we normally buy our kitchen towel. So yeah, so guys, the next thing we got is another big CROCHET tissue. Like this one is a lot, like I think it's 40 something inside, I think 48 on its own. It's really big. So yeah, we don't want to lack tissue. So moving on, guys, let me start with this. So this is meat. This is chicken inside there, but I'm going to go over it later. So we got a lot of wipes, not that too much though, but yeah, we got baby wipes. And I'm just doing this voiceover, so I don't really know how many I got it, but yeah, I got a bread. This is wheat bread. We eat wheat a lot. I don't eat white bread, but the kids eat it. But me and my hubby, we eat the bread. Sometimes the kids, they like it as well, because I use it to make tuna for them. So they like it. And I got some pad. Yeah, I got some pad as well. And here I got a nappy for my boy. Yeah, I think I got up to 2. So I got this chicken seasoning from African shop, and I got bread. This is raw bread. My kids love this, they like it a lot. I got with braid, and I think I got circle braid as well. So guys, moving on, I've showed you plain flower and apple. Yeah, moving on guys, I got beans. I got black eye beans. My hubby likes beans a lot. Like, he likes beans, so I try as much as possible to make beans at least every week, once or more than once every week, at least once every week. So I got this snow peas, yeah, for my vegetable or stir fry. I got this parsley from Lidl. I love this a lot. I used to buy this parsley from Tesco as well, but yeah, I got this one from, no, I got this one from Aldi. Yeah, not Lidl, I got it from Aldi. And I got plain, I got corn flour, I got tin tomatoes, I got pocket tissue, I got pocket tissues, I got quite few. Now it's up to 5 or 6 or thereabouts. So the next thing I got is so guys, moving on, I got Nutella. I got this cheese. I like the cheese a lot. I use it for vegetable mix like salad. I got potato. Yeah, I got this granules. I don't know if you can see it. And I got olives. I use it for my salad. Yeah, on a weight loss. So one day I will make a recipe for you guys and show you guys how I do it. So I got roasted peanuts with honey in it. I got this prawn from African shop. Yeah. So moving on, I got this dry fish. This dry fish is actually, I think, £9.99, £10. I got this. Yeah, this is my salad. I got another type of salad, a bigger one and a smaller one. I got this stockfish. I had this stockfish. I just got this one because the one I got the last time I went to African shop hasn't finished, so I just got this type. But yeah, this is the type I normally buy. Cord. Yeah, it's called cord. So it's very long. When you buy it, they will cut it there for you. But because I have some, so when I went, I just say let me buy a different one. Like they call it the EYEBROW or something. The other type I bought, but this one is cord, and it's really nice. That was the one I was telling you, the stockfish. So moving on, I got onion. I don't want to buy too many onion because I have anyway more in the house already. So guys, the next thing I got is waffles, and I got pancake for the kids. Even they've actually started eating. They were like, "Mommy, you should hurry up," but I gave them some to be eating while I'm doing this. So guys, moving on, I got uziza. So what I do, I just buy uziza and then I'll wash and cut them and I'll put them in the freezer. So here I got okro, yeah, from the African shop. So I'm going to make okra soup. So moving on guys, here I got strawberry crepes. My kids like this a lot. So guys, moving on, I got olubu. This is onubu. Some people call it olubu and some call it onubu. So I think it's the Anambra people that call it onubu. Yeah, we call it onubu. So I got onubu from the African shop. I like buying the bag, like the box, if they have the box. So I'll just properly wash it like the way we normally do it, and then I'll put in the freezer. So guys, I got this rice. You guys know the rice I told you guys about. I've made a review on it. So you buy two of the rice, and then they will give you the box of coconut, and which I just showed you now. So yeah, but one of it is 16.99. So we bought two, and then if you buy the two, you get one coconut milk. Yeah, one box of it. So guys, moving on, I got curry. Got this curry from African shop. Yeah, and I got tuna. Don't know if there's any other thing I haven't shown you guys. And yeah, that's it. I think I haven't shown you. I got red bell pepper. I got red bell pepper. Yeah, I got it in a box as well. So here, this is chicken thighs, and yeah, chicken legs and thighs. So I'm going to open it and show you guys. Guys, that's how the chicken looks. You can see I'm just going to put them in a separate bag, like in a freezer bag, and yeah, whenever I want it, I'll just pack them according to how I'm going to use it. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful. So guys, this is the much I bought, because I don't want to buy excessively. I just wanted to buy what will be enough for me and my family, because we are a big family of 6. Yeah, I want to buy the one that will be enough for us during this lockdown. So guys, this is the part 1 of this video, and more will be coming soon. Yeah, I hope you like my shopping. So guys, if you like this video, please don't hesitate to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye guys.